Hey, this is Joel of Swoon and Swagger, and today I'm going to be talking about one of the coolest and probably most useful tool you ever use when culling your photos. This is especially useful if you're a volume or portrait event or a wedding photographer, and I'll talk about that coming up next. Hey guys, this is Joel Swoon and Swagger, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't, please subscribe and just hit the subscribe button below. And if you'd like to get notifications whenever a new video is uploaded to the site, just hit the little bell next to the subscribe button. I would really appreciate that. And today I'm going to be talking about one of the most useful culling tools you'll ever use, and I've been using these guys for the last 4 or 5 years. Well, not these guys, but the product that they make. It's called the Cullinator. If you ever been to like the PPA or WPI or maybe another photographer may mention it, this is probably one of the most useful tools I've ever used. Especially if you're a volume or a wedding photographer, and if you're shooting like thousands and thousands of images and you need to cull it down, you're gonna want one of these, because this will probably, I mean, my estimation, I've been using them for the last 4 or 5 years. Probably cut down my culling time by 50%. Just imagine if you're shooting 3,000 images, and you need to cull it down to a manageable 800 or 1,000 or whatever number you normally deliver to your clients. Just imagine the amount of time you've been using when you cull those images. Well, what if you can cut down your culling time by 50%? Won't you love that? This will save you time, because instead of sitting lurched into the computer for hours and hours hitting the reject or accept key, you can just be sitting back, grabbing a frosted drink once in a while, and put your feet up, and then you can call away with these. Now, what's so cool about this is because it works on both Mac or PC, and it has 12 customizable buttons. There's 4 in the directional pad, and then there's 4 buttons right here. It's color coded and different numbers, and you also have these 4 thumb buttons here, and they're all very customizable, and you can just download the free mapping tool from Cullinator.com. And you can customize it. You can match it to the keys or how you map your culling commands on your keyboard. So personally for me, you can use this on Photo Mechanic and also Lightroom. So I just use the 1 and 2. 1 is for accept, and number 2 is reject, and of course it's color coded in Photo Mechanic. And you can also use 3 and 4 if you want, or you can also use the thumb buttons right here, and you can have one a different color, because I actually don't use the ratings or any of the delete. I just use the colors from Photo Mechanic. So red is for reject, and 1 is for accept, and then maybe 3 for maybe, and 4 for vendors, or or maybe 1 for if you want to choose it for an album. Say you want to do a pre-design for your client, and that's good too. So again, all the buttons here are fully customizable using the free software you can install in your PC or Mac, and it's a USB, so just plug it into your USB slot, and that's it. It's so easy. There's a default already on the mapping tool, so you're ready to go. And again, if you don't like it, you can customize it again using the free software. Again, this is from Cullinator.com, and I've been using them for the last 4 to 5 years. By the way, this was sent to me for free, so I did not buy this. So thank you, Cullinator guys, for sending me this tool, because it saved me so much hours, and probably even my lower back, because all I do is sit back on my office chair, put my feet up, and then just cull away. Now, if you're a video gamer like me, this will probably be easier for you to use because it has the same configuration as your typical Sony PlayStation controller, like a PS3 or even a PS4. Only it's corded. So I really like it, and highly recommend you guys get one. Now this is $50 from Cullinator.com. Now for this video, I'm excited to share that I'm gonna be giving away one of these to one of my faithful subscribers. Or if you're new, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the subscribe button below, and then comment on the comment section below, and then I'll pick a random winner, and you guys get one of these. And again, it's a $50 value thanks to Cullinator.com. And again, if you're a volume or event, portrait, or wedding photographer like myself, if you shoot a lot of images, thousands and thousands, you will appreciate this because it has saved me so much time. And again, it works for Phone Mechanic as well as Lightroom. Now this is just for culling. It's not for editing, like in Lightroom, adjusting exposure levels or doing curves. Wasn't designed in mind. Maybe in the next release, I don't know. But if you're just gonna call, just imagine being able to cut down your images, from say 3,000, 4,000 to a manageable 800. And just imagine all those hours you save and you're back because you're just sitting back on your chair. So again, Cullinator.com, I highly recommend you get one. And again, just comment in the section on the comment below, and I will pick a random winner, and you guys will get one in the mail. Okay, so subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and even the little bell so you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video soon. Peace!